An Associated Press investigation finds 19 of 20 hospitals in the city of Lubumbashi in the Democratic Republic of Congo regularly imprison patients for unpaid bills. The North and South Korean militaries officially agree to take down 22 guard posts along the country's border by the end of November. In Jordan, rescuers search for survivors after sudden floods. Officials say at least 19 people have died. And in India, thousands protest in New Delhi outside the country's main investigative agency in support of its chief.